We are seeing this huge shift in the workforce, the way people are working, how the diversity and inclusion is also changing. Those the pointers in it are also changing. With every passing week. Let me put it that way, because now we don't consider things as a 6 month period. 3 months is also a long time.
Yeah, yeah. 2 weeks is a long time.
Yeah. So, it's everything is just evolving at a crazy speed. Let's just go. So, what is it that you foresee as a future? One, and what is it that you think is not happening and should be taken into consideration?
Okay. I'll answer your second one first.
Okay.
I think what is not happening, we spoke a lot about it, right? That it needs to become a business agenda, evidence and metrics driven diversity. I think that's what needs to happen. I don't think that's how the DNI role is being looked at in organizations. That's good to do, but not a must to do. And by the way, there is pressure for it to be must to do, but I don't think it is. So I think what is not happening is how can organizations make it completely evidence based and metrics driven. Okay, so they change the way they're hiring, their performance management, their opportunities that everybody get, and how they even train people on unconscious biases, right? So I think that it just needs to go leaps and bounds and go faster, because it completely has a play on systems and culture, and systems and culture is what drives the future way in which organizations would work and even do well. There was this very interesting project that Google did. It was called the Aristotle project. You should look it up. It's a very interesting one. Okay, that project proved beyond doubt that diversity is very important for innovation and to reduce the risks of wrong decision making. Okay, so interestingly, it was seen that the teams that had members who thought differently from each other and who felt safe expressing their thoughts were the ones that were most successful. So this is the future. This is the future, Ananya. If we all need to bring that cognitive diversity into the workplace, okay? And there are reports which suggest that if you are a company that needs to be thinking about the best way to collaborate and the best innovations coming out of your company is, and it's not even about if you're a product company, if you're a services company, if you're whoever, whatever type of company, it is very important that you have a focus and mix on diverse thoughts. And diverse thoughts come when you have a diverse and set of people, where you have inclusive policies and processes where people can really share their views, their mind, their and not and feel psychologically safe. So that's how I see both the future and what's sort of not happening